Hey guys, it's Luke here from Earth Through the Storm, and I'm doing a playthrough of my map here, just to walk you through it if you're having some trouble and stuff. So, this is part 1, so I'm going to read you the story. Rose and Silk. You are an adventurer from Canada. You are lost in the European jungle hills. You must find a way to escape. Hint, complete challenges. 1 to 2 players allowed. I'm playing by myself. And then you read rules TXT. So let's pull that out here. I have it open. So I'm gonna pull that out. Oompa Loompas. Oompa Loompas. Okay. Never mind that. It's being a little glitchy. Glitchies. Okay. So let's get right into here. Hint, seek it. So what you do is you come back here, jump, whatever. Go over here. I'll patch my pack, so you just press that lever there, right down here. You'll see this, and then here, you press that lever up there that I showed you, and then here, you'll win the first challenge, and then you just press that lever. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I just patched. There's the patcher. So now I'm gonna flip the lever. I heard the door open. So we're gonna go. Whoa, what are we doing? Over here, where you see the iron block here. I'm gonna go. The door won't open for some reason, so I have to switch to creative. Hold on. Okay, so now I'm gonna here. Okay, so here we go, and I'm gonna go T. Okay, slash game mode. Okay, let's switch back. Okay. Survival. So we're gonna go down here, and now you're advanced to the next level here. And what happens next? Find out in my next episode.